Hey guys, it's Nico back here with another video, and today we're going to be hacking Pokemon Go. So what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to go and download off Chrome. I'm sorry, I don't know why I can't find my Chrome. There you go, Chrome. Go Google Chrome. You're going to want to download Xmod Games. Here, I'll just go back like this. I'll go to my history and I'll leave a link in the description. Where's it at? Where's it at? But yeah, I got this one right here. Yeah, you're gonna want to go right here. And you're gonna want to download. I already have it downloaded, so what you're gonna want to do is open it, and then go right here. You're gonna want to press install. Once you install, you're gonna press launch. And after that, you should let it load up. Then you can select your destination. I'm gonna press skip for now. Let it load. Xmod. Sorry, it's loading slow. I don't know why. It never usually does that. Then you can do double speed, but I don't recommend double speed if you're trying to hatch eggs, because look, this will happen if you're on double speed. It'll ask you if you're a passenger. So if you're trying to hatch eggs, you're trying to do no double speed. You can move around. You can go right here. Xmod. International flights. Sorry, and you can set your coordinates and you can change your location. So if I wanted to go somewhere in Tokyo, I just set the coordinates and then it takes me right there that I wanted to go. You can just move around. So far I've hatched, I think, 3 eggs. But since I'm a low level, I haven't got nothing good. I got this pincer, I got a Magikarp, and I think I got some type of rhino. He's my number 1, I think. OCP. Here we go. Taurus. But yeah, guys, so you hack Pokemon Go, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.